Mon Ami, andito kami sa 3rd floor. Nagbibidyo okay na naman kami. Magandang panahon ngayon. Very nice. Nice weather. Ito si Conching. Ito si Celeste. Ito si Olit. At yun si Daniel, ang ako namin. Very easy.
Now look at me. Yes, it's deep for me. Back on my feet again.
So, eto, just sharing. Bye!